This $36 million Gold Coast mansion is set to be the most expensive home ever sold in Queensland. With 13 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, and over 170,000 square metres of waterfront land, this property is in a league of its own. Welcome to Bellagio La Villa, a luxurious residential estate nestled in the Gold Coast Hinterland. This exceptional sanctuary encompasses premium amenities, including a gymnasium, heated indoor swimming pool, spa, sauna, a ballroom which also serves as a showroom-style 5-car garage, and a state-of-the-art kitchen featuring a walk-in cold room. Bellagio stands as an unrivaled testament to grandeur. This remarkable estate spans over 122 sprawling acres and rests peacefully on the banks of the meandering Tallebudgera Creek. Created by the renowned architect Michael Whitty, this majestic masterpiece emerges gracefully from the meticulously landscaped gardens. With its reminiscent charm of a grand European-inspired estate, complete with impeccably manicured hedges and flourishing fountains, an impressive driveway and porte cochere ensure a stylish arrival on every occasion. Featuring 10 palatial bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, each adorned with custom-crafted decor and furnishings. Further enhancing this exceptional estate are superior features such as a grand dining room capable of accommodating 12 guests, a lavish master suite boasting deluxe dressing rooms and en-suites for both him and her,